This video is different from anything I have ever posted on this channel, because today, for the first time, you are hearing my voice, and there is a reason for that. My name is ABSMUTE, and since 2019, we have been building this channel together. What started as a simple PixelLab tutorials has now grown into a community of more than 40,000 creators around the world. That journey has been incredible, and I am grateful for every single person who subscribed, watched, and learned from this channel. But recently, behind the scene, creating new tutorial has become more difficult. The device I have been using to produce this video is over 3 years old. It is starting slowing down a lot. Storage is full, apps stop working, and sometimes projects crash before I even finish them. The ideas are there, but the tools are struggling. And that is why I am planning the next level of ABSMUTE Global. Instead of just posting more videos, the goal now is to create high quality tutorials for PixelLab users worldwide. Data explanation, data visuals, and finally voice-over tutorials like this one. And if you are watching this video right now, it means you are part of inner cycle of ABSMUTE Global. Members like you will always be the first to see the future of this channel. ABSMUTE Global is not just a channel, it is a place where creators learn to turn simple tools into a powerful design. And this is only the beginning. Let's level up together.